Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Luvoni telescope, an incredible piece of equipment that's perfect for adults and beginners alike. First off, let's talk about the upgraded tripod. It's designed for precise positioning, allowing you to quickly locate and track your desired targets both vertically and horizontally. Made of thick aluminum alloy material, this stable tripod can be extended from 33.9 to 56.1, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different viewing conditions. The 90mm multi-coated optical lens is a game changer, reducing light reflection and increasing brightness and clarity for clearer and brighter images. Add the 6x30 finder scope with crosshairs, and you'll have no trouble locating objects, making it perfect for kids and beginners. With a 900mm focal length, 3 eyepieces, and a 3x Barlow lens, this telescope offers a range of magnification options, from 36x to 450x, ideal for viewing the Moon, Saturn, Jupiter, and other deep space objects. What's more, this telescope is incredibly easy to use, with a detailed manual and installation video to guide you through the setup process. The wireless remote and smartphone adapter make capturing stunning astronomical images a breeze. And the best part? When you purchase the Luvoni telescope, you'll receive free lifetime maintenance and support from our dedicated team. So, there's no need to hesitate. Click the link in the description and get your hands on this incredible telescope today. Happy stargazing!